Hello traders, and welcome back to another video here in the Learn to Trade chat. Today we're going to look at the Dow for buy or sell opportunities. Let's attack this chart right away. Now this is the US 30 chart. This means that we're looking at the CFDs on the Dow, but because we want to look at the volume too, we're going to look at the E-mini Dow, right? The YM on the continuous contract. This is the futures chart for the Dow. Now, what we're going to do is pretty simple. We're going to look for opportunities. We're going to see what's going on right now. I haven't looked at the chart, and by the looks of it, just by looking at this chart, we are trapped inside of a very narrow range. Now, you can see that this is in fact within the daily range. Right here, you can have the daily range, and I'm actually going to be adding the immediate Dow to my watch list, right? Pretty simple on the continuous contract. Now let's have a look and let's see what's going on. Right, this is the hourly chart. Let's go to the 50-minute chart. And looking at the 50-minute chart, this is looking extremely flaggy, right? Um, in the sense that yesterday we had a very big move to the downside. I'm sorry about that. Big move to the downside. I think that yesterday's range was about, let's have a look. Yesterday's range was about 1,000 pips, 933 pips, right? Ticks, or whatever you want to call it. And today's range is very narrow. Now, only 231 range. And if we're talking about daily ranges, and we talk about yesterday's range, there is a lot of potential for a big move today. If we have followed through on that. Um, yeah, on that daily range. So what we're going to do, we're going to look for opportunities to buy or sell the Dow, right? Um, let's and like I was saying, this is looking a little bit flaggy, but the thing about this, guys, is that we are in an extremely bullish market now. There's stocks of um, an increase in the stimulus bill to $2,000. Now we have the elections in Georgia. Remember, that's important. The elections in Georgia are important. Why? Because if the Democrats take control of the Senate, with that stimulus package is going to pass very quickly. That's going to be very bullish for equity. So that's why I wanted to look for opportunities to buy. And now that I've looked at the chart on the 15 minute, I do like the opportunity of buying at the breakout of these highs. We are printing a flat triangle. Again, flat triangles are um, continuation patterns, and this is what I'm planning to do. I'm going to buy this breakout. Remember to always look for which is this. Well, remember to always look for your volume zones, your daily open, etc. And just have a look at what I'm talking about right here. Um, uh, the flat triangle clearly is forming, and we for this setup to be valid, in my opinion, we need to break with today's point of control, with today's open, which is this red line right here, and today's highs. Right? If we do break with all of these levels, this is a very thick zone. To me, this is an untradeable zone. This is the no trade area. If we break to the downside, it's a sell. But if we break to the upside, the potential of a rally to all-time highs again is very real. So be on the lookout for that, and of course, that if you want to get the exact um, actionable analysis, just click on the link in the description, and it'll take you to it. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow on on another video.